group, the last group, I had a couple of pictures that I could feedback to. So.
Have in my team Ala and Nini. We are part of Back to Nature. We try to reconnect kids to their origin, to the nature, basically, organically, naturally. So we have a problem here. Yeah, so we believe kids are really connected naturally. We all connected. We are part of nature. However, the technology culture took over and we missed the plot. And that's not really cool, is it? And if we really, anyways, so what is happening at this moment? If we can go back when we were like really kids, do you remember we used to like go to the garden, let's say, or to the forest, or just out, and we lose ourselves. How the frog does that, or why that plant color is that specific color? Why can't it be that color? You know, that expanding, we lost it. We are disconnected from it, yet we are part of it. So it's pathetic and sad in a way. And we wanted kids back. It's our goal is to take them back to that beautiful place. And why we chose kids? Because we believe they are the future. So once you are really connected, at the end, the man who you are, by man I mean no agenda, really. So yeah, it will be connected to nature, and things would be up to what you really want in life in general. Then, oops. So the solution is an app, basically an application that is requires specific photos from nature and the surrounding around you, the environment. And then after you do that, it's going to go through the application to say it is the right a photo. And that would basically going to make them collect points. And that's the whole challenge. We basically sparking the challenge inside each and every person. And then upload it in the network. That's one of the solutions. The other one is basically, not solutions, is basically the next step, which is through the recognition of the photo, which is already technology out there. And that's the result. Beautiful, isn't it?
Right.
We're basically connecting not just kids, family as well, because that app is basically going to be based on family as well, because some of these photos, you can't just ask a child to go and get a line photo, really. It would be really a bit dangerous, I think. So we are connecting them all to go out and be themselves and just go back to that time. Through gamification. Yeah. And that's the process basically. Find a fake tulip, then upload it on the app, which is going to say it is the right one. And then it will give you some information about that specific flower. And then share it in the media and get points and basically sending the kids without them knowing or shoving it in their throat, like to go back to nature. So it's just embedded somewhere there. And that's really important for us. This is the positioning basically. So we are in the middle. We're gonna give the app to the kids to use it. We are in contact with their parents because they want, you know. And in the same time, they will have kind of communication between each other, parents and kids. We will be connected as well with the nature associations and nature parks and zoos. And that's basically somehow they will provide us with the content of our app application. So it's kind of shared interest. And of course we can embed it as well, the promote usage of QR code and on the tickets or promote usage to members. Okay. Yeah, so the trail, really, this is important. The trail is going to be basically on pen and paper. We'll ask the kids to, that's our next step. We'll ask the kids to go out, we'll give them a specific photo at school, and ask them to go and collect that specific one by photo, which is good. And then they will, and we will ask them how was it? And basically communicate with parents to check the money, because again, important money. Next